Hey there, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this video, we are going to learn how to boot your Mac in safe mode. So very first thing what you need to do is you need to power off your computer or shut down your computer. So you can go to this Apple icon and choose shutdown. So once this is shut down, you can just restart in the safe mode. So the Mac is now shut down. So in order to boot in safe mode, what you need to do is you need to tap on this power button and then keep holding the shift command until it's boot up the screen. So what we can do is we can just power on and then hold the shift button. So I am continuously holding my shift button and it will take some time because in safe mode all the software applications are turned off, only the essential apps are enabled, so it will take a while to boot. Okay, you can leave the shift command and you can see here at the top it's saying as safe mode. So there is another way where you can check. You need to log into your account. So after logging into your account, click on this Apple logo and on the keyboard press options key, which will open up the system information. Just select that and it will open the system information screen. In system information screen, you can just shift to this software tab, and here you would be able to see the boot mode is saying as safe. So in this way you can enable the safe mode. Now if you want to turn it back in the normal mode, you can simply restart your computer and it again turn on in the normal mode. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.